Welcome! Have you ever hidden rows of data in Excel, then copied and pasted the visible rows, only to find that all the hidden rows came along too? More confusingly, the hidden rows don't appear on the face of the spreadsheet, you only really notice them when the totals look wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple Excel shortcut to copy only the visible rows in Excel. The shortcut is Alt plus semicolon on Windows. But first, for comparison purposes, let me show you what happens without it. Here in this spreadsheet, I have hidden rows 4 and 5. I'll select the rows from 3 to 6, then copy them and paste them down below the current table. If I now add up the figures in the column using sum, the total looks higher than expected as it is bringing in the figures in the hidden rows, which can be confusing. Alternatively, if I select a specific range of cells rather than the entire row, and copy that and paste that again below my table. This time I get 4 rows, but I only wanted 2. This is the default behaviour of copy and paste, and it's easy to be caught out by it. So here's the fix. Instead of just selecting copy or Ctrl plus C straight away, first select your range. Then press Alt plus the semicolon. That's Alt and the semicolon key together. And what this does is it tells Excel to only select the cells that you can actually see. The hidden rows are excluded from the selection entirely. Now, when I copy and paste, I only get the visible data, exactly what I wanted, and if I sum the columns, the totals are now correct. The shortcut also works for copying specific selections. So again, highlight my cells, press Alt plus the semicolon. Then when I copy, Ctrl C, and paste my values down below, this time only 2 rows rather than 4 rows are copied. There is an alternative way to copy only the visible rows using Go to Special in the ribbon, but at the time of recording, this is only available on the desktop version of Excel. Highlight your selection. On the Home tab, go to Find and Select, and from the drop-down list, select Go to Special. Then click Visible Cells Only. Click OK. Then copy and paste the cells. So to recap, whenever you're working with hidden rows and you only want to copy what's visible, press Alt plus the semicolon before you copy. It's simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a like, and if you would like to hear more Excel tips like this, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.